Hi, my name is Dr. Berg. I've been in practice for 27 years. I've worked on over 40,000 people. I've trained 2,500 doctors.
Thank you for your family. The authenticity is transparent. Like, what comes through, you're genuine. You can tell that you're in this to really help people, and you're just motivating a lot of people to do the same, and it's a synergy that keeps growing.
The keto diet is the way to go. Intermittent fasting is also the way to go. You want to be healthy first, and then you lose weight, as Dr. Berg says.
Insulin prevents you from tapping into your fat. Every time you eat, you spike insulin.
I've lost 130 pounds with keto and intermittent fasting.
Keep on watching Dr. Berg's channel because I really learned a lot.
This alone tells us that our body is very well designed for fasting. The key is getting that recovery when you work out.
It's literally like bread.
There's no bread in it.
Sick and tired of being sick and tired. And I thank you for opening my eyes to a better life.
I've lost 370 pounds on keto. In 2 years, I lost 346. Keep doing what you're doing, and I love it.
Really seems to really want to help people. So I want to say thank you to him and Karen, and of course he couldn't do that without his beautiful, supportive wife.
Dr. Berg absolutely rocks because his knowledge is so digestible. You can assimilate it and understand it.
And bringing together all the information that we need to hear that we're not hearing otherwise.
Thank you so much for changing my life.
Thank you for everything you're doing. I believe you have a ministry that you're doing that's blessing others, and in turn that's allowing me to bless others as well.
Eat keto, and Dr. Berg is the best person to tell you how to do that.
I want to thank him for his hard work every single day of putting out this amazing content.
Thank you for all that you do. And as I told Karen earlier today, I'd love to see her cook more because a lot of people want to see some more recipes.
My goal is to help people find the simple truths of health so they can create a healthier body. Thanks for watching.